Going to go change some air filters over here on the rooftop unit. Main thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you know what's the correct size air filter that you need. So you definitely want to come check the rooftop unit before you just go and get some filters, because you will be going back to the store if you don't have the right size. It's very important to change rooftop unit filters because it prevents a lot of things. It prevents airflow restriction, prevents dirt and debris from caking up on your evaporator coil. Does a lot. So the first thing you do, this one, turn those little tabs like that. Now you can just pull it on out. As you see, the unit is not blowing air towards me, it's taking air that way, so your arrows will be going that way. Now you're going to put your new ones in. In the wintertime, I'm probably going to suggest that we do a evap non-rinse coil cleaning on this evap. As you see, those dirty filters have caused this unit some dirt on the evap. So, like I said, it's very important to be changing out these filters every 90 days. If not, it could cause problems in the future. Alright guys, now I'm going to put back on my panel.